Hello my dear guys, it's Pink Vanchika. So today I'm gonna do my soft brow makeup tutorial and it's my first time, so I'm ready with that. I've made 2 ponytails over here for that, and let's get video started. So guys, I'm using foundation right now and this is becoming so white. It's okay, just blend it, and it's perfect. So I'm using the foundation to my neck also, just to give the perfect finish look. And I'm done with the foundation also. So let's apply the contour powder. I never really use contour powder, very less. It's okay. So I'm gonna use it very less because it's soft look, so we just need the soft look, not a bad girly look. Okay, so it's done. Just blend this. I'm gonna blend this with my finger only because I don't want to use always blender or something like that. So it's okay, and I used contour and it's look perfect. Now I'm gonna use blush. It's feel like I'm in Joker. But we just need so much red or pink. I'm using red. I don't know why I always use pink, so I want to try the red. So just like this. No, I just don't want this. I hate this when this happens. So it's okay. I'm gonna use tissue and wipe it properly and do it light with foundation. It's okay. So guys, I've drawn with my blush and I'm never gonna use red again because I love pink. Okay, now I'm gonna use brow. I'm gonna do brow. Yeah. So first I'm gonna do my brows up like that and then down like that. This gives it perfect shade. Now I'm gonna use the darkest color just to highlight them. I don't know how to fill brows properly, but it's okay. You can do it. Oh no. I just filled it so much, but it's okay. It's okay. I don't do too much makeup because I look like adults. And I'm a kid. Okay. I did that. No dance. So guys, now I'm gonna use a little concealer here. I'm blend it with my fingers because I'm a little lazy. Yeah, I'm a little lazy. I don't want to blend it very properly or take time. So I just did it with my fingers and it's done. No, it's not done. Yeah, it's done now. And now I'm gonna use the pink eyeshadow to my brush. Hey, where is that brush? Yeah, this is the brush and I'm gonna use the pink one because the red one is so annoying. Okay, no. First you has to use the pink at your upper like this. Oh, it's so pretty. like this, and then your lower. Yeah, it's done. So guys, I have applied the brown color here because I don't like peach. You can use peach color also because it's look very good at all, but not at me, so I didn't use that. Now I'm gonna do the eyeliner. So let's do for this eye. Well, I am nervous at this eye when I used to apply eyeliner. If you want to know how to apply eyeliner easily, practice it daily. This is the only way that you can apply eyeliner very easily. So I have done here. So now this one. Now I'm going to use mascara. Oh, okay. Because it gives good look. It's easy to apply, so no need to show the tutorial. Not to your girls. Okay. Oof. It's so cringe. But it's okay. I've done with my mascara, and you know, I have missed something, and that's the main point I want to do today. My nose done. I have never done my nose with the contour or anything, so I just think that they do like this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and they just, yeah, like there and blend it. Oh no. This is the main thing I want to do today, and I'm doing it finally. Yeah, I like this. Yeah. Well, I have done it very beautifully. As you can see, my nose done is looking perfectly fine, and I'm gonna apply the white color eyeliner or powder here because I don't have the shiner and I'm not gonna buy it, so just do it normally. So now I'm gonna take some pink color and do it underneath my eyes like that, and it's totally fine because this is the one thing that gonna look this soft. Okay, ouch, my eyes. Okay, so you can see this is looking perfectly fine, and makeup tutorial finish. Oh, don't notice this thing because I don't have black rubber. I find it everywhere. The second piece, where is that? And it's missing. I'm gonna find it after the video. The last thing I'm gonna use is the gloss and some pink color to my lips that it's gonna look really soft. So guys, I'm done with the gloss, and this is the final soft girl look. Or if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon also for new latest video, and follow me on Instagram also. Bye guys, have a nice day.